Hello, today we are going to go over how to write the first 5 letters of the alphabet in Braille. And with that, we are going to be using our Focus 40, which is our Braille display. It has a keyboard that is a Braille keyboard. 6 dots plus a backspace key and an enter key, and I'm going to show you that now by turning on my video, holding down our Alt key, and hitting the letter V in our zoom controls.
Alt V. Alert window now started.
So now you see on my desk right in front of me, you see a 40 cell Braille cell. There's 40 keys. These little keys above the screen are routing keys. You just push a key and it goes straight to where it needs to be. This also reads everything that is on our screen. So we are going to first go to Word, and then I will explain what all the keys look like. So Word, we're going to hit our Windows key and hit our 5.
Windows 5. Opening dash. Opening dashboard. List box word. New list box. Blank document 1 of 7. To move line, press the arrow keys followed by F8 Y2.
Okay, so now we're here. We're going to hit Escape to let it get a blank document open. So while this loads, we are going to look at our keyboard. So the way that we hold our hands, our fingers need to be our first pointer, middle, and ring finger all need to sit on the main keys for our brailler, and our pinkies can rest on our backspace and our enter, but we don't want to be pushing those, so mostly we're going to be keeping just our pointer, our middle finger, and our ring finger on the keys, and our thumb on our spacebar. So as you can see, there are 6 keys here in the middle. We consider this dot 1, and with a braille cell, that is the top left-hand corner. The braille cell is 6 dots. As you can see with 6 keys, it ranges from dots 1 through 6, obviously, and 1, 2, 3 are on the left-hand side, top, middle, and bottom. So this is key 1, dot 1. Dot 2 is our middle one. Again, it's the middle on the left-hand side. And dot 3, which is our middle on the left-hand side, or the end, bottom, on the left-hand side. Now we move over to our right-hand side. It starts again back into the middle. We have dot 4, top right-hand corner, dot 5, middle right-hand side, and our dot 6, which is the bottom right-hand corner of this cell. So if you type in a full cell, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in our Word, it's going to come out as what we call a contraction. We're not going to do that right now. So we're learning just our alphabet. So the alphabet goes in a certain pattern. Eventually you'll see this, but right now we're going to just do the first 5 letters of the alphabet. So letter A is the easiest one to remember. It's dot 1. So we're going to press an A. And down here I can check. Yes, that's the letter A because it's in the top left-hand corner of our particular cell. We're going to hit space. We're going to keep practicing. A, space, A, space, A, space, A, space. You hear that noise that you can hear, and it's just telling us on screen that we don't like that you're putting a bunch of A's in the line. So we're going to ignore that right now. So we practiced our A's, and now remember A is our dot 1. So we're going to hit enter. We're going to go to a new line, and we're going to start practicing our letter B. B is 1, 2. Dots 1 and 2 push down together. So we're going to push it. B. It says B. And so that is our B. Remember 1, 2.
Dot 5.
Sorry. Dot 1, 2. Just remember B is the second letter in the alphabet. So it's 1, 2. 1, 2. Put together. Can't push them up different times because that would be a plus what's a comma in our case. So we're going to hit space, and we're just going to keep practicing. Yes, I just said but that's because B in Braille is our contraction. So so that doesn't continue happening. I'm going to change our Braille display into computer Braille, which is going to let us, actually I'm going to change it into input computer Braille, and we are going to type the letter G, which we won't learn for a while. It's 1, 2, 4, 5. We're going to hold that down with our space and our backspace. You can see my hands. This is how it looks. And we're going to hit it once. It says off. That means everything's off, but we're going to do it one more time because off means that we're learning math and we're not doing math right now. So we're going to hold it again. 1, 2, 4, 5. Space with the backspace.
On for display.
On for display, but you can still type in what we're typing. So we can hit the letter B again. Remember, that's dots 1, 2, and that's held down together. We're gonna space, and we're gonna do it again. 1, 2, hold down, space. And again, it's gonna give us that lovely noise that means we're doing something wrong, but we're really not. It just doesn't like the letter B multiple times over and over again. So 1, 2, hold down, and lift, space. Hold down, and space. So we did good. Here, we'll do one more for 5. So we have 5 B's. Again, our letter A is dot 1, and our letter B is dots 1, 2. So we're going to keep practicing. Dot A, B, A, B, A, B. And again, misspelled, but that's okay. So we're going to keep going. Now we're on to the letter C. This one changes pattern. You would think it would go 1, 2, 3, but it does not. It stays with 2 dots, and they're the ones right across from each other up top. So we're going to hold down our dot 1 and our dot 4. We're going to lift. That gives us the letter C. So we're going to hit space. And again, letter C is dots 1 and dot 4 held together and lift up. So you're going to keep doing that, holding down 1 and 4 and lift up. Again, it says the letter C. And we're going to do this 2 more times to practice. Yes, again, our noise comes back. So we have letters A, B, and C. Let's go over them again. A is dot 1, B is dots 1, 2. And the letter C is dots 1. That's my bad. Letter C is dots 1 and 4 held together. Let's keep practicing. A, dot 1, B is dots 1, 2. C is dots 1, 4. A is dot 1, B is dots 1, 2, and C is dots 1, 4. So we're going to keep practicing as we go along. So we're going to hit enter and go away with that. So we have A, B, C. Next is D. This is going to be 3 different keys. We're going to hold down our dot 1, our dot 4, and our dot 5. And we're going to lift up. And it says D. So that's a D. And we're going to keep going. We're going to hit dots 1, dot 4, and dot 5. The letter D comes up again. So we're going to try that again. Dots 1, 3, 1, 4, and 5. D is dots 1, 4, and 5. So we're going to keep doing 1, 4, 5. Keep typing it. See how many D's we can get across the page, or you can just stop at 5, but we can keep going. So now I'm going to go to a new line, and we're going to keep going over what we just did. So dots 1 is our A. B is our dots 1, 2, held down, lift up, good. C is dots 1 and 4. Good. Dots D is our 4th letter, so it's dots 1, 4, 5. A, B, C, D. First 4 letters of the alphabet. So we're going to try that again. Dots 1, 2, dots 1, 4, and dots 1, 4, 5. All together again. Dots 1, 2, dots 1, 4, and dots 1, 4, 5. Okay, so we have A, B, C, D 3 times there, and we're going to move on to the last letter that we're going to learn today, and then we're going to start trying just to keep writing all of our letters. So the letter E is next because it's our 5th letter, A, B, C, D, E. E is dots 1 and 5. It is a little diagonal slash if you feel it on your brailler or your braille display. It's dots 1 and dot 5, so top left-hand corner and middle right-hand side. So we're going to keep doing that. We're just going to hit the letter E again, dots 1, dots 5, dot 1, dot 5, E, letter E, dot 1, dot 5, letter E, dot 1, dot 5. So we're going to keep doing that again as many times as you can go across. And that's the end of our A, B, C, D, E. So we're going to practice again. Dots A is dot 1. B is dots 1, 2, held down. And C is dots 1, 4. D is dots 1, 4, 5. And E is dots 1, 5. So we're going to keep practicing A, B, C, D, E. And keep going. A, B, C, D, E. So it's 3 times across. So let's see if we can get one more. A, B, C, D, and E. So we did really well with keeping that up. Now let's see if we can not combine different letters, but we're going to write out maybe in a pattern. So we're going to go for the letter D. Again, D is 1, 4, 5. And we'll go for the letter A, which is dots 1. And we're going to go for the letter E, which is 1, 5. And the letter B, which is 1, 2. And we'll go for our last letter that we want, which is C, which is 1, 4. So just to see if we can type a little bit. So let's go for another B and maybe a D. Remember, B is 1, 2. D is 1, 4, 5. C is 1, 4. Okay, let's keep going. Letter A, so dot 1, and all of the other kind of practice that you want to do. But remember, our dot 1 is A, dot 2, B is 1, 2, C is 1, 4, D is 1, 4, 5, and E, 1 second, back to there we go. D is 1, 4, 5, and E is 1, 5. So just keep practicing lines of A, lines of B, C's, D's, and E's, and we will continue with the alphabet another time.